Welcome to Diaکۆ podcast. Today we are focusing on brushing our teeth today. My friend Aline is here. Hi. Hi, Malek. Why do we need to brush our teeth? We should brush our teeth because it's an important job and we do every day. When we brush our teeth, we take out the little germs and the food stuck to your teeth. How many times do we have to brush our teeth? We should brush 2 times a day. When we wake up in the morning, we sleep at the night. Brushing your teeth twice a day helps keep your mouth healthy and clean from germs. Thank you, Eddie. My pleasure.
Diaکۆ Educational Compound.